Hey guys, how are you all doing? We've got a very special announcement to make, and that is we've just partnered with Tradeify, meaning if you go over to the Tradeify website and buy an account, you're able to get your Rithmic details, which you can then put into Tradesea and start trading immediately. So firstly, what I want you to do is come to the Tradeify website, scroll down, and then here is where you can select your account type. So you can see there's three different types of accounts. There's growth, select, and lightning. So the growth accounts, you can see there's no consistency in the eval stage, but in the funded stage, you have a 35% consistency. Then in the select accounts, you have a 40% consistency in eval, and then no consistency when you're actually funded. And then of course, lightning funded, you don't have to worry about any of that. You pay a bit more, but you're funded straight away. So to celebrate our partnership, Tradeify are currently running a 40% off sale if you use the code DASH. So what I want you to do is select the account you want to buy, and then you want to select Rithmic on the far right, just so you're going to get the Rithmic details, which you can then use within our system. If you go ahead and select these two, then you're not going to get the right credentials. So I'm going to go ahead and select the select account, 50K with the Rithmic details, click continue, and now I'm going to fill out all of my details and I'm going to buy the account. I've just inputted my details, and now I've got the summary of what I've bought, the select 50K, Rithmic details, and then here just below is my Rithmic username and Rithmic password. What I want you to do is go ahead and copy that username, and then come over to Tradesea. Then again, just like you would with anyone else, you go in the top left, come down to connect new, and then right at the bottom, you're going to see Tradeify. If you click connect, this is where I want you to paste in that username and that password, and then we can go ahead and click connect, and we're going to be able to trade. So I'm going to paste my password, check I'm on simulation, my name's there, and then I'm going to click non-professional, accept the terms and conditions, and then click connect. So now Tradesea and Tradeify have synced my account, and straight away you can see the Tradeify logo in the top left. We can already trade with that account very, very quickly. And there we go. That is just how simple it is to connect all of your Tradeify accounts to Tradesea. Thank you very much for watching.